We sometimes use the pronoun it to introduce or refer to something that comes later in the sentence. It's best to arrive early. In this example, it refers to the infinitive clause, to arrive early. We can use the infinitive as the subject of a sentence. To arrive early is best. But this sounds quite formal and literary. We usually prefer to use it as a subject. It's best to arrive early. The same preference applies to that clauses. We can either begin with a that clause. That smoking can cause cancer is well known. Or we can begin with it. It's well known that smoking can cause cancer. Ing clauses and WH clauses can also be introduced by it. It wasn't surprising what he said. It was interesting listening to his talk. The use of it is impersonal. It allows us to make general statements instead of talking about our own personal feelings and opinions. Compare, it wasn't surprising what he said, and I wasn't surprised by what he said. In most of the previous examples, an adjective is used after it and the verb be, but we can also use a noun or noun phrase. It is an accepted fact that smoking can cause cancer. In some cases, a verb phrase can be used. It has been shown that smoking can cause cancer. Because the introductory it allows us to present information impersonally, these patterns are common in academic and scientific English. Introductory it can also be the object of a sentence, as in these examples. I think it best to arrive early. I find it difficult working in this noisy room. Scientists don't regard it as inevitable that a smoker will get cancer.